For practice exercise 8.3, we're going to use data set 1 from the appendix to determine if younger participants have different math skills than older participants. I have changed this data set and created a new variable here called age group with zeros if they are less than 26 and ones if they are 26 or older. There are a couple ways you could have done this. You could manually go in and put in zeros and ones. What I did is I went to transform, recode into different variables. Age, I moved age over here, created one called age group. And then for old and new values, I did lowest through 25 as a 0 and 26 through highest as a 1. That created this new age group variable. Then to do the Mann-Whitney U, it's analyze, non-parametric tests, independent samples. For fields, skill is what we were testing. I moved the new age group variable down to groups. Under settings, I picked custom tests and asked it to calculate a Mann-Whitney U. The output for that particular test looks like this. The Mann-Whitney U is 66.5. That has a significance level of 0.975. It is not significant, and it gives you some useful graphs to show you how the data actually are represented.